Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to wire up a choke to an Edelbrock carburetor. First thing you need is a multimeter, so you know how many volts you're going to be getting. See if I can get a good view on it. And you'll be using this setting right there. Just picked this up from Walmart. It's a 20 on the DC volt side, and that will let you know if you're getting the recommended 12 volts. First, what you do is you can check the keys off right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take these probes off here and check the positive and the negative side to that carburetor. So I'm going to set this here, hopefully you can see it. Maybe you can't, I don't know. Alright. So I'm going to take this and set it to the 20. You can see it's at 0 now. I'm going to put it on here, and it's still 0. Just like that. The hot on the red and the black to the black. Okay, so now I'm going to go turn the key on. Just like so. You can see the lights are coming on. Don't want the fan on there. Alright, so the key's on. Go back over here. Look back to the multimeter and put the red to the red, black to the black, and you'll see it's let's see here. Pretty close to 12 volts. It's probably not going to be a full 12 volts just because of the size of cable that or wire that I used and the length of it. But it's pretty close to that 12 volts. One of the times I did it, it was running at 11.9 volts. Alright, so the wire here. You can see I spliced it together here, and I actually soldered those together and used some heat shrink tubing, and then just ran it all on over here and then down into the little opening down right in there. This little opening. Then inside the underneath here, I'm gonna have to probably turn the light on this. Maybe not, it's pretty bright outside. Alright, so I run it through, let's see the light, I ran it through that opening there, and then into this side over here. You can see, here's the ignition right there, and there's another spot for it right here. So that's the one that I wanted because I wanted to make sure that it was 12 volts only when I turned the key on. If I would have connected to this one, the battery, it would have been 12 volts all the time. So it is recommended to use a fuse, even though you're going into the fuse box. I haven't done that yet, but that's a recommendation. I'll probably do it here in a second. Just something similar to this one right here. That's just an inline fuse, or you can get the better ones, more like these. So, and that's pretty much it for the wiring of the choke of an Edelbrock carburetor.